I'm going to guide you through how you can create a Google Meet link on the iPhone. If you like this type of content, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. So what you need to do is to ensure you have the Google Meet application downloaded and installed. You can open it up and essentially click on the little new icon in the bottom right corner. It is this blue button, so you can tap on it and it gives you the ability to search for contacts or dial in a number. But one of the options below the search field is to create a link. So you can click on it and a brand new link will be created for you. This gives you the option to click on the copy button and then paste it to some message or anywhere else. Or you also have a direct method of sharing that Google Meet link by the iOS sharing platform. So you can use the AirDrop messages or any of the apps available right here. So it's really that simple. There isn't really much else to it. So let me know what you think. Most definitely subscribe for more quick and straight to the point guides like this one. And I'll catch you later.